Hi, in this tutorial we're going to show you how easy it is to write a spreadsheet formula in Factivate. So Factivate supports two types of formulas. The first one is the formulas that you're already used to. The sums, the average, the count, you name it, right? The second type of formula that we're implementing is one that talks to a connected spreadsheet. And these are what we call our data sheets or connected spreadsheets. They have a blue background. And they look a little different, but pull in information. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to my campaigns, show you some cheats. So the first cheat is if you click on cheat sheet, this shows you some of the structures and formulas that you can use when you're writing to these connected tabs. DS sum, DS average, DS count. If you notice, the formulas that talk to the connected tabs always start with a DS. Now you could copy and paste this formula into your cell and then just edit it. You could also click here and get live support and have us help you as you're building the formula. But in this tutorial, we're going to write a formula from scratch. So let's add a sum formula that calculates my ad spend from this tab, the Facebook ads tab. And then we're going to add filters to it. So start DS sum, open parentheses just like you see in the cheat sheet. And now we're going to put in the name of the tab. So Factivate hints at all of my tabs, and just as I wrote the F, the sheet name came up, and I'm just going to select it. And now we want to add the column that we want to sum. So in this case, it's ad spend. The column name is spend, and I click on it. If you don't want to work with the cheat sheets, here's the structure and how it happened. I priced my sum formula, name of the spreadsheet with the exclamation mark, and then the name of the column that we want to sum is spend, and it goes in between these like pipes or columns, as you might call them. So if I click enter, it's going to sum everything that's in that tab, right? But now I want to add a filter based on these dates so that it can only sum spending between these dates, and it's pretty easy. If you look at the cheat sheet again, the structure is you add a comma, you start your argument with a double quote, and then everything goes between single quotes. Okay, so let's do that. I'm going to add a comma, start with a double quote, and then name of the column. So the name of the column for the dates, right here where the dates are listed, is feed timestamp, and it goes in single quotes, and I want it to be less than or equal to the cell C35. And because I'm referencing a cell, I now use this structure. Double quotes, ampersand, C35, close my ampersand, close my double quotes, and then a single quote. So now I'm telling, go to Facebook ads, spend, column feed timestamp, and you get all the spend that's less than or equal to C35. But since we wanted to get between those dates, we wanted to be greater than or equal to. Okay, so that's filter number one. Now I'm going to add filter number two, feed timestamp between single quotes, because that's the name of the column. And then I want it to be C36, ampersand, double quote, single quote. Okay, so I close my loop here. Everything seems to work, and now remember how I opened with a double quote after the filter? Let's add another double quote to close, add my parentheses, and then click enter. Done. That's my ad spend between these dates. And if you notice, I'm going to go to a different tab, a connected tab. The name of the column was feed timestamp. I had that right, and obviously it referenced the column in a different tab name, but that's how you do it. That's how you write a spreadsheet formula. Look at the cheat sheet if you need some more information. You can write filters with and or like, and send us a message if you need any other help. All right, that's it, guys. Thank you.